Introducing the brand new IFB Deep Clean powered by AI top-load washing machine. This sleek, innovative design not only looks great but also features VibraShield side panels to help reduce vibrations for a quieter wash experience. Let's talk about the key features that makes this washing machine exceptional. This AI-powered washing machine intelligently detects the load inside the machine and, based on the inputs received from the AI, then optimizes the program parameters like water level, wash motion and time required to wash the fabric. It's like giving your clothes a personalized wash experience. Aqua Energie. Aqua Energie treats hard water by deactivating the calcium ions and energizes the water to restore the cleaning power of detergents. This is a patented technology unique to IFB. Triadic Pulsator. Experience the magic of a superior wash with IFB's Triadic Pulsator. This combination of scrub, swirl and punch ensures that dirt doesn't stand a chance. Your clothes will come out cleaner and fresher than ever before. But wait, there's more. With features like soft close door, ease of mobility, auto tub clean and a large lint filter, this machine is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. And with an industry-leading warranty, 24/7 support and a year-round exchange program, you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands with IFB. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade to the IFB top-load washing machine today and make your clothes last longer. Washed yet wow. Wow for the clothes, wow for the planet.